Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5345. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has 8 small dents. Aftermarket rear tow bar, bumper bar, brush bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And an aftermarket snorkel with all fittings. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. 5-speed manual gear shifter, 4-wheel drive type. Heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.